In this part, we are going to take a look at the first branch example, okay? And this one is about the number of parameters, okay? Let's take a look at it. It's right here, okay? Let's have it. It's right there, okay? So these are the questions that we have, okay? So what parameters does this function take? What calling convention does it use? What kind of value does it return, okay? Write the entire C prototype of this function, okay? Assuming that all values are unassigned values, okay? So let's take a look at it, okay? So you can pause the video and attempt this task, okay? Attempt this task. Okay, so let me give you my answer, okay, or my response, okay? So here this function accesses parameters on the stack at ebp plus 8, okay, as you can see here, at ebp plus 8, and then at ebp plus 12, as you can see here, okay? So both of these values are loaded into ECX, as you can see here. They are both loaded into ECX, and we can therefore assume they are 4-byte values, okay? So this function doesn't clean its own stack. As you can see here, it doesn't clean its own stack, and the values aren't passed in the registers, okay? They aren't passed in the registers, okay? So we know the function is now cdecl, okay? Like that, okay? Is now cdecl, okay? So it's the calling conversion it uses, okay? So the return value in EAX is a 4-byte value, okay? And we are told to assume that all the values are unassigned, okay? So putting all this together, we can construct the function prototype, okay? So for example, let me show you. Let's cross this one, and then I show you here. Okay, so we can construct something that looks like this. So as you can see here, let me zoom a little bit so that you can see. Okay, so it may look like this, okay? The prototype is like this, okay? So here, as you can see, we are having unassigned, okay? Because all the values we are assuming they are unassigned, okay? So here we are returning unassigned int, okay? As you can see here, unassigned int cdecl, okay? Cdecl, and then we have the name of our function, and then as you can see, we are told that all values, they are unassigned values, okay? As you can see, the first parameter 1, unassigned int, as you can see. So we have 2 parameters, okay? So, and another parameter, unassigned int param2, like that, okay? So that's the function prototype, okay? So I don't know what was yours. I assume let me assume you left a comment there, okay? So please leave a comment for your answer if you tried to attempt, okay? So don't be ashamed of your answer, okay? So you will progress slowly by slowly, okay?